rise.
Yep.
Awesome. Thank you for showing me, man. That's insane.
Yeah, no problem.
Be sure to give them a like. Something unique. Thank you for watching.
On the way up, my LC2 has been acting up, so I gotta be careful with my demoing, but
yeah.
Other than
what is it doing? Is it going full tilt or is it just shutting off or what?
Nah, it's like, even though I have the LC2 turned all the way down,
yeah,
it's still freaking pop, pop, pop,
yeah,
pop, pop.
yeah.
So,
Wow.
the 8, it's a Cosmos Audio EP908 D2. And the box is an 8th order bandpass. I'll open up this other door so you could see the other side where
Where's the amp at too?
it's under the seat. So
wow, okay. What? How much power? What size amp on it?
it's a Teraamps 5K at 1 ohm.
Okay.
And obviously I'm not giving it the
Have you
full-
burped it just to see meter results for fun?
Not
Not
yet.
yet? Okay.
Literally I just finished the box. Me and Cody just finished the box last night. So
wow. That's insane for an 8. Anthony. All right. Man. So your subwoofer, what is this, a 6? Or an
that's
8?
a 7.5.
7.5. So almost the size of the cone area of the sub.
If you want, you could stick your camera in there and get a good cone shot of the sub, because you could actually stick it in and rotate your arm all the way around.
So how did you tune this? Have you fine-tuned it, dialed it in, or I mean, this is insane. I've never seen an 8th order like that.
This chamber here is 77 hertz. This chamber here is 27 hertz. And this chamber here is 52 hertz.
Wow.
So it's a 20 hertz octave per chamber.
Man, that's crazy. And you were demoing with this, so you were able to see exactly what your wattage was, your ohms, your box rise.
Yep.
Awesome. Thank you for showing me, man. That's insane.
Yeah, no problem.
Be sure to give them a like. Something unique. Thank you for watching.
And shut the door, and then you could...
Yeah.
That's only on that power. That's active power right there. So, woo.
20 seconds.
Cosmos Audio EP900D2 8th order
10 seconds.
port dominator.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.